Hello everyone. Today I'll be sharing a video of phaco being done in an eye with Poste First I created one side port incision and filled the chamber with viscoelastics. Then I created the second side port incision for second instrument. Then main port clear corneal 2.2 mm incision was fashioned. Iris adhesions with lens has been released and pupil stressed to dilate the pupil. Fortunately in this case pupillary dilation was not a problem, but after stretching the pupil got sufficiently dilated. Here the cataract was soft and sufficient retinal glow was present. Normally in such cases trypan blue staining of anticapsule is great help, but here because the pupil was properly dilated and recent retinal glow was present, so I did not use trypan blue staining. Capsular access was started and it was fashioned without any problem. Care should be taken to make a moderate size capsular access. Chances of capsular phimosis or formation of Poste again would be higher in such cases. Good hydro procedures are great help, especially in softer cataracts. Phaco fragmentation and epinuclear plate removal and the cortical cleanup becomes quite easy if we do hydro procedures meticulously. Nucleus was soft and it was flipped and aspirated, and the part of epinuclear plate has been removed with the phaco tip, and rest of the epinuclear plate has been removed by using irrigation and aspiration tips. Preoperative preparation is very important in cases with chronic uveitis. Eye should always be in quiescent stage for a couple of weeks prior to the surgery. Preoperative steroid can be started to reduce the postoperative reaction. Thorough cortical cleanup is important to reduce the chances of postoperative reaction. Flush the BSS parallel to the Poste capsule to remove the fibers and cells present on the Poste capsule and at equator. Now fill the chamber with the viscoelastics and now eye is ready for IVL implantation. Single piece hydrophobic IVL is IVL of choice in such cases, and always implant the lens in the bag. Placement of IVL in the bag reduces the chances of post-op reactions. Post-operative oral or topical steroids are needed to reduce the postoperative reaction. Sometimes intracameral triamcinolone can be used to reduce the postoperative antechamber reactions. Thanks for watching.